Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today we're sharing some useful indoor garden hacks that will help you care for your plants and maximize your indoor gardening experience. From repurposing kitchen waste to creating mini greenhouses, these tips are easy and effective. Let's get started. Hack 1. Recycled cooking water. First up, let's talk about recycled cooking water. After boiling vegetables, pasta, or eggs, let the water cool down and use it to water your plants. This nutrient-rich water serves as a natural fertilizer, giving your plants a boost without any extra cost. Hack 2. Mini greenhouse. Next, create a mini greenhouse for your small plants or propagations. Simply place a jar or clear plastic jug over them to create a humid environment. This helps retain moisture and encourages healthy growth, perfect for those delicate seedlings. Hack 3. Coffee grounds. Did you know you can use coffee grounds in your garden? Mix used coffee grounds into your potting soil or compost pile. They provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure, benefiting your plants while reducing waste. Hack 4. Wine bottle watering. If you're going away for a few days, try this wine bottle watering hack. Fill an empty wine bottle with water, invert it, and place it in the soil. The water will slowly seep out, keeping your plants hydrated while you're gone. Hack 5. Dusting leaves. Regularly dusting your plant leaves is essential for healthy growth. Use a damp cloth or sponge to wipe off dust. Clean leaves can photosynthesize more effectively, promoting healthier plants. Hack 6. Old mouse pads. Protect your furniture with old mouse pads. Place them under plant pots to cushion against scratches and moisture damage while providing stability for your plants. Hack 7. Rotate your plants. To ensure even light exposure, rotate your plant pots a quarter turn each time you water them. This promotes balanced growth and prevents one side from becoming leggy. Hack 8. Humidity trays. Create humidity trays for moisture-loving plants by filling shallow trays with pebbles and adding water. Place pots on top of the pebbles to prevent root rot while providing the humidity they crave. Hack 9. Natural pest control. Keep unwanted insects at bay with natural pest control methods. Use neem oil or insecticidal soap to deter pests without harsh chemicals, safe for both you and your plants. Hack 10. DIY plant markers. Create simple DIY plant markers using popsicle sticks or painted stones. Label your plants to easily remember their names and care instructions. This is especially helpful for herb gardens. Hack 11. Use clear containers. For propagating plants, use clear containers so you can easily monitor root growth without disturbing the plant. This helps ensure successful propagation every time. Hack 12. Repurpose household items. Get creative by repurposing household items as quirky planters. Old jars, tins, or even teacups can add character to your indoor garden while recycling what you already have. Hack 13. Plant supports. Use chopsticks or bamboo stakes as plant supports for taller plants. This keeps them upright and healthy as they grow, especially important for climbing varieties. Hack 14. Indoor herb garden. Designate a small area in your kitchen for an indoor herb garden. Grow herbs like basil, mint, and chives in pots so you always have fresh ingredients on hand for cooking. Hack 15. LED grow lights. If natural light is limited, consider investing in LED grow lights. They provide the necessary light spectrum for your indoor plants, promoting healthy growth year-round. And there you have it. Useful indoor garden hacks that will help you care for your plants more effectively. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips will enhance your indoor gardening experience. If you found these hacks helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative gardening ideas. Share your favorite hack in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.